And I'm showing up the what's the mature things that I can do. Let me see. That I can swim. Even though I'm scared of water. In the highlight of my swimming experience, I've swum all the way to the other side. And I don't think that's happening again tonight. So, yeah. Take a bad taxi. We're going to have breakfast, and I'll show how it's done there. It's pretty nice. This is the second day, so I've experienced it once already. Do not try that at home. Wherever it is. it's nice. It's like well taken care of, even though it's old and all of that. Like, you can almost absolutely convince yourself that you are stuck in some 90s movie, right? Like those old Nollywood type of movies with maybe RMD, at least Benson or something. And I like old things. I like old things a lot. Even way older things like pre-colonial things, just things that feel like they hold so much memory and everything. I really like them. Old things that aren't particularly in fashion anymore or available to people anymore, or this just like, oh, such a long time ago, people then used to be like that, and things. You get me, right? And if it's now well taken care of again, double check. So that's how this place feels like to me. So if you like old things like me, or you just want like a serene, peaceful getaway, then this is absolutely what you need. It's amazing how I lived here till like 2017, like, so till 2017 I would say, oh, I've been in Ibadan all my life, and I have never or had never come here before, even just like passed by or something. I just never had. So this is my first experience of IITA. Here's how the room looks like. So it's quite basic, to be honest. And yeah, this is it. There's a balcony. There happens to be an air condition here, though I don't know why. And then there's the open space for where you can keep your stuff. There are drawers where you can keep things. There are 6 of them. Also, I'm not really sure if this is supposed to be like a semi-closet situation or it's for some other kind of storage, but there's a hanger here, and maybe if you have extra boxes or something, you can put on the floor. I'm like, okay, I guess this place is for like boxes and maybe stuff you want to hang, sure. So the bathroom, right? Hey there. Hi. So this is the bathroom. This is how it looks like. Okay, first off, coming in, this is how it looks like. And this is the view that we have here. This is like a handle for the louvers. God, I can't remember when last I used louvers in like a sentence, like, oh, the louvers or whatever. So this is it. And this is the light overhead, counter lights. I have no idea what the term is, but that's the term I'm giving it. This is the bath. That's the shower thingy. It's an old one. I've never seen anyone like it before. I was particularly very happy about this mirror because I like mirrors and everything. And I like old things, right? So it's old and nice and like functional, and I'm just like, okay, I like it actually. I don't know, maybe I feel like it's a little overpriced, but in like all in all, I really like the way that everything looks. It's vintage but very well taken care of. Like, they obviously are maintaining these things, and their customer service is really nice also. So yeah, we're planning to leave soon. I think that's about it, to be honest. I think that's about it. I wish I could stay longer. I always wish I could stay in places longer, and I've decided that the next place I go, hopefully actually that plan actually works out, that I stay more than 2 days, because the first day you get there, you're all tired and you just rest. The next day, maybe you waste time and then chill till like midday or maybe even later before you now start exploring, and then you now start to rush everything into a particular time, and by the next day you have your breakfast and you pretty much have to start packing and leaving. So it's like, what's the point? Let me just get there on a day, then the next day I explore and everything, or as much as I can, and then I know I have a last day to just relax and take it all in, and then I know that the next morning it's bye-bye, right? Because I think if that's not what's happening, then it's just a really rushed situation. So I don't want to be rushed anymore. So it's that I'll be aiming for now. It happened like that with going to Oshobo, to IITA Guest House and everything, and it's happened again here. And I also went to Takwa. I had a staycation at Takwa too at some point in July. I hadn't started my YouTube channel then, and yeah, so yeah, 3 times is enough to learn my lesson. I'll be heading home today. I went home just after I landed, like I took a flight. So I went home just after we arrived at Ibadan from Lagos on, when did I come? Can't remember what particular day. Saturday, so I guess that was Thursday or Wednesday. I think it was Thursday. But I only stayed a few hours and came here. So yeah, I'm going back to see my mommy and my daddy and my siblings. But yeah, so let me know, would you like to come here? A friend of mine is like, oh please, I don't like old stuff. I beg, what's all this old, everything everywhere, basic, nothing thrilling or whatever. And I'm like, whatever, I like it. Whatever, I like it. Hello, do.
Hi. Welcome to your YouTube channel.
What?
Bye.
Bye. Hello? Hello? Oh, Jesus Christ. So, who are you and what do you mean to me? Who are you in the grand scheme of things?
I'm Rita and I'm the love of your life.
Since when?
Since forever.
Since forever. When were you born that to be forever? I'm going back from whence I came. From, is it whence or whence I came? See these children. They say Ashiyawon, if you understand what Yoruba means. So yeah, they just featured in my vlog spontaneously. Come and stay by my side, it'll do. So just random, because I ended up not taking any footage of my parents or anybody else, because yeah, they had visitors and well, I had to leave and whatnot. So I was supposed to be the last child, right? This is a grievance I have held for, well, since forever.
You said supposed to.
Shut the heck up. So I was a quote-unquote mistake, right? I like to say I was the first mistake, but this one was the second mistake that was my what's the word now? Find me the word.
I have no word.
Anyway, so I was supposed to be the last child. I had balanced in that position and I was living it. And then this one came all of a sudden and bounced me. So yeah, she's like...
And that's why she tried to kill me. I have a cut on my eyes.
Are you mad?
Yes, she tried to kill me.
Why would you say such a thing? It was a mistake. We were younger, right? And we were playing and we were living in a duplex. And then my gown was long and you know how there are railings and then you hold the thing to jump, and then she was in front of me, so my gown covered her head and there was some situation like that, so her head hit the railings and then there was a deep cut here. Let me zoom in,
Oh wait, evidence.
Yeah. And then she's saying I tried to kill her. That's just deep and wrong and all of the weird things. Anyway, that's enough family whatever to make up for not showing the other members of my family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Oh, and subscribe to, tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Why should they do that?
Because it's just the best.
It's the best. How many YouTube channels do you know that is the best?
Well,
but yeah, you heard her. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.